Hey guys, what's going on? So today at Black Friday at Walmart, we picked up the 7-foot, 8-function multicolor tree for $30. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up a time lapse of us installing it and show y'all what it looks like. Junior's out here playing with his cars, and we got a mini tree also to add to the decorations. Okay, so it's really simple. All you do is install a pole and the tree stand, and then you drop it on and plug it in. It's all ribbon RGB. So here's a star up top. We'll have to unravel that, and then you just plug it in, and we can select our functions with clicking it. So that's pretty cool. All right, let's get it installed. All right, here it is, guys. So we did notice that you have to flip this around to where the shaft is up. I had it backwards, and you could tell by the ribbon cables not matching. But now that's flipped around, that's how it fits. And this is a really simple design. Looks like a couple of the RGBs are out, but those are just the connecting RGBs anyway. Yeah, right there. But yeah, that looked really good. That looks really cool. So let's put it in the yard. Turn that light off, bud. Turned out pretty well. It even works with the music box. Cody's wanting to help. All right, time to install more lights.